Hi everyone. I am going to show you how to log in and use our new literacy online program KidsA-Z.com. For those of you who are watching this video, when you log into KidsA-Z.com, which is on your weekly plans, you need to type in the teacher username Stover B. Then press go. Now, I know it shows up that it says Beverly Waltz is your teacher, and she is not one of our teachers. She's actually a secretary. We are working on getting the name changed. Then you need to find your name in one of the colored boxes. I have made a teacher one, so I would be teacher. Once you find your name, you click it. Then everybody clicks the bunny. If you would like to change your password, you have to email either Mrs. Stover or Mrs. Diamantopoulos, and we will change it for you. But right now, everybody is the bunny, and you press go. This will take you to your home page. You will have two choices to choose from, Head Sprouts and Reading, which is also what we'll call Raz Kids. In Head Sprouts, you need to do Head Sprouts every day, and you need to do your reading every day. Let's start with Head Sprouts. Go ahead and click it, and then you go ahead and click the house. Now, I've already been working on mine, so it's going to take me right where I left off. It's very fun, interactive games. It's going to help you practice all of our foundation for reading, all of our sounds, and letter combinations. As we progress through all the different levels, it'll then slowly start also working on comprehension with you. So I will click my 1, and I'm not going to do this for very long. This is my current episode, and it is. I know that it's working on. I was working on the E sound.
Go back. Ready?
Okay.
Click on S.
I have to find the S sound, so I click S.
Right. S. Click on E.
And I had learned already that EE makes the E sound.
All right. E.
Now let's keep going.
E.
I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to, if you ever have to end your episode early, you click Head Sprout. But we would like you to finish your whole episode before you end. Now, say I'm all done with Head Sprouts for the day. I finished an episode. I can go back to Head Sprout, go home, and then I can work on my reading. I click Reading. Now there's going to be choices in here. Sometimes there may even be a fourth choice, which is an assessment that we'll have you do. The first two choices we want you to do is always to go to either Level Up or Your Assignment. In My Assignment is where we will place books that we want you to read. Now these books, you can listen to it, that's the headphones, and you can read it. I'm going to quickly show you how that looks.
He Runs, written by Ned Jensen, illustrated by Darcy Tom.
I'm going to pause it.
He runs.
Oops. Okay. As you listen to the book, it will read it to you. So you sit back and relax. After you've finished reading the whole thing, you can go back and we want you to read it yourself. If you ever see this orangish yellow, this golden tag, it just means that you haven't finished that part yet. Then you can go through and read it yourself. We highly suggest that when you read, point to each word. He runs. Then you click the next button. He runs. If you're ever stuck, if you click it, it'll have you either you can listen to the word, you can highlight it, or you can add to your word journal. Then you can click next and you would read it again. He runs to the bus. Say I finished it. It'll be all done. I can go back to my assignment. We'll pretend that I finished it. I can go back to my reading room, and now I can go to my Level Up. Level Up is books that we have chosen for you at just the right level. As you start KidsA-Z, you will notice that the books are really easy. We're doing that on purpose. We want you to get used to this program. So as you can see, I've already done one book. I am in the middle of reading the next book. You can go in any order that you want in all of these books, but we want you to read all of them before we move you up to the next level. Now I'll go back. Once you finish the Level Up and the My Assignments, the last fun place you can go to is the reading room. Here you can choose all different sorts of books that you can listen to or read. There's song books, they're all different categories, graphic books, alphabet books. You can have fun in here. The last one that we're getting used to is that you do earn some stars that you'll be able to use in the star zone. That's the fun area where you turn in your tokens to be able to play some fun games. But we'll let you go ahead and explore that yourself. When you're all finished, you can just press log out for the day and you are done. If you have any questions, email Mrs. Stover or Mrs. D. Thanks so much.